Hi fellow YouTubers. In this video I'm going to show you a project I'm working on. It is a drone controlled by an EMG sensor that detects your muscle signal and controls the takeoff and landing of the drone. So I purchased this drone called AR 2.0 from eBay. It's really cheap, it's only $40 if it's refurbished, and that's what I got. And then I purchased this EMG sensor from sparkfun.com. It's called Mileware EMG sensor. I believe the whole package costs around 70 or 80 bucks. About it. Next, I'll show you the first developments on this project. Now I will start flexing it. The value goes up. Okay, now it's on, flexing muscle. Yeah, that's not pretty, but it works. Alright, let's try this. Go! Nice! I would like to have you comment on this project. What do you think of it? Is there suggestions or things that you think could be fun to play with it? Please let me know. I would really appreciate it. If you would like to follow the progress on this project, please click subscribe and like the video if you do. Thank you.